afternoon. We are from STMicroelectronics. My name is Julie Ravel. I'm working as a SPC Program Manager for Front-End Central Functions.
And my name is Hélène Isselé. I work in ST Rousset site as a SPC Process Control Manager.
One of the topics that I was really interested in today was the machine learning presentation, because we could use that in ST for better usage of all the raw data to have a more better detection, let's say, on profile abnormalities.
Before getting into space, we were facing a lot of irrelevancy in the first level Shopfloor analysis after out of control, for example. So we had to improve the tools and the way we give information to the first floor. And with SPACE and all the plugins like DMP, SDCs, for example, it has brought a new level for first level analysis, and it has really enhanced the shop floor experience on the out of control evaluations.